Hello everyone, this is my review of this Keychain LED flashlight, a handy tool that combines multiple functions into a compact design. Its rechargeable flashlight provides bright illumination, making it perfect for everyday carry. The built-in bottle opener adds convenience, especially during outdoor activities or gatherings. Additionally, the flashlight features a strong magnetic base, allowing for hands-free use by attaching it to metal surfaces, as a practical feature for tasks requiring both hands. Its small size and lightweight construction makes it easy to attach to a keychain or store in a pocket. Overall, this keychain flashlight is versatile and practical accessory for various situations. I hope this review helps.